Instructomania presents the Geography of India, including who lived in ancient India and how geography shaped the lives of ancient Indians. Geography. What is it? Physical environment and how it may influence an economy and culture. India is vast. It is the 7th largest country in the world, with a total area of 1,269,219 square miles. India measures 1,997 miles from north to south and 1,822 miles from east to west. It's roughly a third the size of the U.S. In the north, the Himalayas form the highest mountain range in the world and slope southward into a large fertile plain that covers much of North India. 3 mountain ranges surround the Indus River in the northwest. This river starts in the snow-covered Himalayan mountains of North India and winds its way to the Arabian Sea. On its way, it flows through parts of modern-day Pakistan, northwest India, and Afghanistan. The Indus River is one of the longer in the world, covering some 2,000 miles. Just south of the Indus River is the Thar Desert, also known as the Great Indian Desert. The Thar Desert is 77,000 square miles and forms a natural boundary between India and Pakistan. It is the world's 18th largest desert. Moving to the south, the Deccan Plateau covers most of south-central India. On either side of the Deccan Plateau are the eastern and western Ghat Mountains that gently slope into narrow coastal plains. Numerous rivers drain the land, and without question, the Ganges is the heartbeat of India and one of the most significant rivers on the planet. Test your knowledge. Where's the chicken? In this game, you will track the chicken as it appears on a blank map of India. Once the music stops, you will use a labeled Physical Features of India map to determine where the chicken ended up. Other animals may appear on the map, but don't forget to keep your eyes on the chicken. So, where did the chicken end up? Was it the Eastern Ghat Mountains, the Deccan Plateau, or the Ganges River? The chicken was in the Eastern Ghat Mountains. Let's try it again. So where did the chicken end up? Was it in the Eastern Ghat Mountains, the Deccan Plateau, or the Ganges River? That's right, the chicken was in the Deccan Plateau. Let's try one last time. Remember to keep your eyes on the chicken. So where did the chicken end up? Was it in the Eastern Ghat Mountains, the Deccan Plateau, or the Ganges River? That's right, the chicken was in the Ganges River. Did you know that India has a fairly high vegetarian population at approximately 25%? Still, for meat eaters, chicken and mutton tend to be the most commonly consumed meats. So, instead of where's the chicken, another option could have been where's the sheep or where's the potato? How does geography shape lives? For the ancient Indians, life was greatly affected by and dependent upon their natural surroundings. The Indus Valley civilization, referred to as the Harappan civilization, is named for the Indus River. The rich soil deposited by the Indus River was ideal for farmers to irrigate and grow crops. Farmers grew wheat, barley, peas, and lentils. This area also receives rain during the monsoon season. While many people associate this season as a time of intense rain, it is actually a time when the winds change. During India's monsoon season, hot air flows across the Indian Ocean and forms clouds full of water. As these clouds move across the cooler land, it drops its rain, often resulting in floods. For protection from seasonal floods and polluted waters, the settlements were built on giant platforms and elevated grounds with massive walls made of brick. Who lived there? Since its discovery in 1922, not much is known about the Indus Valley civilization, but researchers believe that it flourished from about 2600 to 1900 BCE before it mysteriously vanished. From that point, the ancient Indian civilizations grew bigger and smaller, much like an accordion. The Indo-Aryan people migrated through a pass in the northern Hindu Kush Mountains in approximately 2000 BCE, settling in the Indus River Valley and expanding to the Ganges Plain. Later, under Mauryan rule in 324 BCE, the empire united, expanding into much of modern India, only to shrink in size under the Gupta Empire about 400 BCE to a region surrounding the Ganges River south of the Himalayas. As you can see, the physical environment of ancient India greatly influenced the economy and culture of the people that lived there. Consider this. In what ways does the physical environment influence your life? Be prepared to support your answers with examples.